Everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to add Discord music board to your server in mobile. Before getting started, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So first of all, open your Google Chrome and search here Discord music board. Open this website and from here you can select any of these music board. So I'm gonna select this one and click on invite. Then select your server and click on continue. Authorize. Prove that you're a human. And done. You can see we have successfully added this music board in our Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. And we'll see you guys in the next one.